Hi everyone, welcome to Arduino first tutorial. In this tutorial, we will turn on and off LED for duration of 1 second. The component that I have used for this experiment is LED, a 2 to 1T ohm resistor, breadboard, wires for connections, and a Arduino Uno microcontroller for coding. We are done with the circuit diagram. Let's go to the coding part. Here I have defined the pin number 12 as a digital output. In the void setup section, I have set the digital pin number 12 as an output. And after that, in void loop, I have just given the command for pin number 12, which is a digital pin, to turn on for 1 second, and I have given a delay of 1 second, and I have turned it off, and then I have given 1 second delay. So we are done with the coding. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Next tutorial will be about fade LED.